As technology advances, proctored software are being updated to prevent cheating. In this video, I will tell you the tricks through which you can cheat Pearson Vue with 100% surety. I also have a best method of 2025 to bypass Pearson Vue called Secret Expert Method. In today's video, we will discuss different ways to cheat on Pearson Vue. Before discussing cheating tips and tricks of Pearson Vue, it is important to know that what Pearson Vue is and how it works. Pearson Vue is an online tool. It uses webcams and microphones and can record your screen, webcam and actions during the test, and share the information with your teacher to maintain exam integrity. During the test, it also tracks the website students visit and looks for specific behaviors. But the question is if Pearson Vue has such tight surveillance system, the how to cheat on Pearson Vue without being caught. There are basically two ways one can cheat with Pearson Vue. Technical expert method to bypass Pearson Vue. In this method, a technical expert installs a custom software in student's PC, and with help of that, he can see student's screen and take exam on student's behalf. The next question that comes to mind is cheating on Pearson Vue is safe with technical expert method? Answer is yes, as the software installed by technical experts cannot be detected by Pearson Vue. This method is considered the safest of all cheating methods. During all this process, technical experts stay connected with student computer, and once quiz start, he can take it on his behalf. This method is known as technical expert method. Now, if you want to know who you can contact these technical experts, you can just check my description to find contact email. Now we're going to talk about some other ways to cheat on Pearson Vue that are old and conventional. Utilizing a virtual machine. Test takers often use a virtual machine to cheat on a Pearson Vue exam. This method is very complex and takes too much time for installation. Using phones and other devices, it involves placing a phone or small laptop behind your webcam, but within reach of the keyboard. As Pearson Vue uses different algorithms to monitor the student activities, so there are risks in this method. Making tiny notes. By making tiny notes and using them during the exam is also a trick to cheat on Pearson Vue. Conclusion. Which method is best to cheat on Pearson Vue? The technical expert method. In this secret trick, I will control laptop remotely, bypassing Pearson Vue with the help of my secret software. After the setup is done, apparently, student will be sitting in front of the laptop, but my expert team will be the one choosing correct answers for students. Don't think so much of fill out our form in the description to get best and fully safe service. Also, we don't take any advance payment. You can pay after getting grades of your own choice. Lastly, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Good luck.